Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at the BELIPRO 1/4-inch TRS instrument cable, specifically the 3-foot 2-pack version. This is a 6.35mm TRS male-to-male stereo audio cable, notable for its right-angle connector on one end and a straight connector on the other. The inclusion of that right-angle design is a significant feature. It's particularly useful in setups where space is limited or where a straight plug might stick out too far, potentially getting damaged or putting strain on the equipment's jack. This L-shaped design allows for a closer, more secure connection against the device, which the manufacturer suggests also contributes to its durability in complex scenarios. It's a practical design choice that many musicians and audio engineers appreciate for keeping cables tidy and protected, especially on pedal boards or rack gear. When it comes to audio performance, the cable aims for high fidelity. It features a pure copper wire core, which is standard for good conductivity and is enhanced with 24K gold-plated connectors. Gold plating helps resist corrosion and ensures a stable connection over time, which is vital for maintaining signal integrity. Furthermore, the cable incorporates 3 shielding layers. This multi-layer shielding is crucial for reducing interference and signal loss, promising superior fidelity sound and reliable performance, ensuring the audio signal remains clean from your instrument or device to its destination without unwanted noise or degradation. Durability is another area where this cable stands out. It's built with an ultra-durable design, featuring a smooth aluminum case around the connectors and a high-quality nylon woven jacket covering the cable itself. This nylon braiding isn't just for looks. It provides significant protection against the daily wear and tear, including twisting, pulling, and bending that instrument and audio cables often endure. It feels robust and built to last, suggesting it can withstand the rigors of studio use or gigging. Compatibility is broad, as expected from a standard 1/4-inch TRS cable. It's designed to work perfectly with standard 6.35mm auxiliary jacks and ports found on a wide array of audio equipment. This includes electric guitars, bass guitars, keyboards, mixers, amplifiers, speakers, equalizers, studio monitors, and various professional audio and DJ equipment. It's described as a professional series stereo plug, suitable for connecting these types of devices where a balanced or stereo 1/4-inch connection is required. Essentially, this BELIPRO cable package offers a combination of practical design with a right-angle connector, claimed high-fidelity audio transmission through quality materials and shielding, and robust construction for longevity. It positions itself as a reliable and versatile option for anyone needing 3-foot TRS connections in their audio setup, whether for instruments or professional audio gear, providing a durable and clean signal path.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.